Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn on notifications and comments on YouTube. So first you just have to open your phone settings, scroll down and look for app management if you're using Android, click app list and then here you have to search for YouTube. You can scroll down but I prefer that you go to the search icon and then type YouTube here. Click YouTube. And then here you have to scroll down and then look for manage notifications. Tap this one. And you have to make sure that you allow notifications, subscriptions, mobile, live streams, comments and replies, recommendations, and so on. After that, you can now exit your phone settings. And this time you have to look for your YouTube application. So let me exit this one and then open my YouTube application here. And then tap your profile. Click your settings or click your icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap this notifications here and make sure that you turn on subscriptions, recommendations, and so on. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.